Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Zarizul Hakimi, and now our group is going to present about our project, which is motion sensing technologies. Our project groups consists of 3 members, which is me, Muhammad Zarizul Hakimi, and Adam Muklis, and lastly Muhammad Hashimi.
Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Today I wanted to present about theory of operation. This slide explains the working principle of the HCSR04, which is ultrasonic sensor. The sensor emits ultrasonic sounds wave at a frequency of 40 kHz. When the sound wave hits an object, it is reflected back as an echo. The sensor then receives the echo signal. Finally, it calculates the distance by measuring the time of flight (TOF), which is the time taken for the sound wave to travel to the object and return. This method allows the sensor to measure distance accurately without touching the object. So for this slide, second is HCSR04, which is ultrasonic sensor technical specification. This slide shows the technical specifications of the HCSR04 sensor. The sensor operates at 5 volts DC and consumes less than 15 milliamps, making it suitable for Arduino projects. Its detection range is from 2 centimeters to 400 centimeters, with an accuracy of approximately plus minus 3 millimeters. For communication, the sensor uses 2 pins. The 3 pins receive a 10 microsecond pulse to start the measurement. The echo pin sends back a TTL high pulse, and its duration is used to calculate the distance. Simple calculation. In conclusion, the HCSR04 is a low-cost and reliable distance sensor. It works by sending ultrasonic waves, receiving the reflected echo, and calculating the distance using the time of flight method. Because of its good accuracy and simple interference, it is widely used in automation, robotics, security systems. It's done for me. Thank you.
PIR motion sensors. This slide explains how a PIR sensor works. Unlike an ultrasonic sensor, a PIR sensor is passive, meaning it does not emit any signal. Instead, it detects infrared heat from people or animals. When a warm object moves across its detection zone, the sensor detects the change and sends an output signal. PIR control and adjustment. The PIR sensor has 3 main adjustments. First, the sensitivity control, which change the detection range from about 3 to 7 meters. Second, the time delay, which determines how long the output stays on after motion is detected. And lastly, it has 2 trigger modes. L mode, which is triggers only once, and H mode, which keeps retriggering as long as motion is detected. My name is Adam Muklis. So this slide compares the ultrasonic and PIR sensor. So the ultrasonic sensor use sound wave to detect objects and measure distance, while the PIR sensor detects motion based on infrared heat from people or animals. The ultrasonic sensor consumes more power but does not require a straight line of sight. In contrast, the PIR sensor uses very little power but can be affected by heat source such as sunlight. So for this slide, these are some real-world application of both sensors. Ultrasonic sensors are commonly used in robotics for obstacle avoidance and in industries for non-contact liquid level measurement. PIR sensors are widely used in security systems such as motion-activated lights to detect human movement while saving energy.